Hey, good morning everyone. It's John with GreenKey. We're on site for our first installation of the day, and it is inside of a garage. You can see here we've got our two-car garage, and our panel is in the back corner. It's a Kraus-Heinz panel. We look to see what breakers are compatible, and this particular one is going to take Siemens QP. And we'll have to, as you can see, there's no space, so we're going to have to install some tandems too to make space. Then we're going to run our conduit up the ceiling and down to the front. Hey, there's Chase. How you doing, Chase?
Good morning. How y'all doing?
And over the garage door, because the customer would like the charger installed in between the bays, which makes great sense because that will allow you to use either bay to park the car, or you can actually charge a vehicle outside the garage as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get the camera set up and start our work, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, so we're done with our install. I wanna show y'all what we have. So we'll start here at the panel. And we had to move quite a bit around in here to get our breaker in, but there's our 60 amp breaker, labeled EV charger. And then we went in greenfield from the panel to this junction box. And then we're in conduit along the ceiling, and you can see it right over top of the garage door. And then here is our 48 amp Ford Connect charger. And we positioned it in between the doors, so it ought to service either one of the bays here, or you could use it outside as well. So that gives the customer great options. So that's all we've got for today. Hope y'all have a great one. See you next time.